Does the thought of selling online from Pakistan to the USA seem overwhelming? Fear not. Today, we're breaking down the basics of e-commerce and cargo processes. Whether you're targeting retail or bulk orders, understanding the nuances of each is key. For bulk orders, you might be dealing with hefty quantities, possibly requiring a container for shipping. This is where you'll need a reliable forwarding agent. Don't stick to just one. Compare services and rates from at least 8 to 10 agents to ensure you get the best deal. On the flip side, e-commerce orders are usually smaller, maybe just a couple of items. These don't need a forwarding agent, but rather a swift cargo service. Companies like TCS, Leopards, and even international players like DHL are your go-to. It's crucial to check rates and delivery times before setting your product prices. Remember, including shipping costs up front in your pricing strategy can save you from a headache later on. So whether it's bulk or retail, each has its own path. Prepare, compare, and stay informed. That's your secret to cracking the US market from right here in Pakistan. Ready to start shipping? Then let's make those sales happen.